How to increase PHP's post max size value in Plesk. You can modify PHP post max size as per your needs using CloudLinux's PHP Selector in Plesk. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Select the PHP Selector option. Then click the Options menu. If the Options page shows an error related to the native PHP version, change it to a non-native version first. The current post max size is set to 8 megabytes. Remember that its size lies in between upload max file size and memory limit. Now let's change the post max size. Success! The PHP's post max size has been changed.